Are you looking for reliable Toyota service near Seattle? Look no further. Burien Toyota is your top-rated choice, conveniently located just 10 miles south of downtown Seattle. At Burien Toyota, our service department opens at 7 a.m., offering extended hours to fit your busy schedule. Our factory-certified technicians are the best in the business, trained to handle everything your Toyota may need. From routine oil changes to complex repairs, we've got you covered. We use only genuine Toyota OEM parts, ensuring your vehicle performs at its best. By choosing dealer service, you maintain your factory warranty, protecting your investment for years to come. Our 32,000 square foot facility is designed for your comfort, featuring a welcoming customer lounge, free Wi-Fi, and even a dog-friendly patio. We provide a wide range of services including oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, and more. Plus, every new Toyota comes with 2 years of complimentary ToyotaCare services. In summary, for top-notch Toyota service near Seattle, visit Burien Toyota. Our expert technicians and spacious facility await you. Ready to schedule your service? Call us at 206-243-0700 or visit our website to book your appointment today. Experience the difference at Burien Toyota, your trusted partner for all your Toyota service needs.